This is a demonstration of my newest electronic edge finder. If you've been following this channel, you know that I've been working on this problem for many years, and the goal has always been to come up with something that is as inexpensive and as simple as possible. And my hope is that this is it. So what I have here is a piece of 1/4-inch stock that's pretty close to drill rod, and here is a cutter, and the goal is to touch down the cutter onto the circumference of the rod, and at the present time it's a thousandth of an inch to the left of it. So I take my probe and I connect it to the spindle up here, and I've got the ability to jog the spindle left and right. So right now it's a thou away, and you can see that the meter is reading 4.13. The actual value isn't important. What's important is how it contrasts to the minimum reading, which you'll see in a moment. So now I'm going to jog to the right a thou, and you see there's quite a large change. So 0.05 is touchdown. Now I'm going to jog a thou away from it, and it's not the same number, but it's certainly significantly different from the touchdown. That green light you see is both a power on indicator and low battery. That green light will go out and turn off the meter if the battery gets too low. There's actually two batteries here, one's for the meter and one's for the circuit, but they are linked together. So you now see I'm away, and now I've touched down again. So it'd be very tricky to do that with a visual inspection or with a piece of paper. You can't feel it because it's all power driven. And after I do that, I can move out, and I'm going to move over now and use that new position. So now I've used that new position, and I'm going to be at, right now I'm at x equals 0. Need to go to x equals minus or plus 0.125. Okay, now I should be on the center line of the rod, and obviously from the front you can't even see it, but you can still see the meter. And as I jog in, I don't need to be looking at the cutter really. I just need to watch that meter. So I'm jogging thou at a time. Oh, there it goes. So now I've got touchdown on the y-axis. And zero that. And you can again see quite clearly when I touch down, even though you can't see the cutter itself behind the part, but you can see the meter. So there I'm a thou away. That's 2 thou away, 1 thou away, touchdown. So that's the latest version.